Good morning, everyone. I just want to do a quick review on how you can enter in your equations without using the touch screen of your phone or your iPad. I know some of you are having a little bit of trouble with that. Uh, so I'm just going to walk you quickly through. So for example, on a question like this, where it says show your work, when you click on there, if you do have a touch screen, it's quite easy to add this stuff in. But if you don't, I just want to point out to the left side here, you have this menu. The top one dot is the color, which we can select whatever we want for that. This is the size menu. I recommend if you're going to be using the T tool, which I'm going to get to right away, you select the smallest dot. If you select the biggest dot, obviously it's going to be the biggest font. If you're familiar with the freehand tool, this is what I use when I use the pencil. This is a line tool. This is a square tool, circle tool. Let's say you do your work in a different document somewhere else. This is, you can insert the image, and this is the T tool, which I'm going to point out right now. When I click on the T tool, it comes over here to the side and it creates a box. I can then use my keyboard and I can type in the equation like that. And I can go through and just hit return, and I can do my answer just as I normally would if I was using my pen. All right. Now, there are some cases where you're going to come up against exponents, perhaps, or negative numbers. I just want to remind you with the exponent rules. So if I want to do 3 to the third power, 3, and then I hit Shift 6 on my keyboard, and that gives me my exponent button. All right, I know what that means. By all means, please use that as much as you can. And then you can use the other keyboard shortcuts on here as well. So for example, if I have 4 multiplied to the power of 2, all right, then I get it equals. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. And then I can just have the addition, which is just above the equal sign and shift. And then 4 times 4 is 16. And then I can go down here and I can finish my equation, which 27 plus 16 is 43. All right, just a quick little lesson there on how to use your keyboard rather than using a touch screen. I know some of you are struggling with that. By all means, use your keyboard as much as you can if you don't have that capability. Thank you.